typing today?
Yes.
Hey, the weather forecast says it's going to snow tonight.
What do you want me to do about that?
Oh, come on, hon. Don't be so grouchy.
I'm not being grouchy. I just want to finish my work.
Okay. I understand. I'll come back later with a couple sandwiches for you, and maybe you'll let me read something then.
Wendy, let me explain something to you. Whenever you come in here and interrupt me, you're breaking my concentration. You're distracting me, and it will then take me time to get back to where I was. Understand?
Yes?
Fine. Now we're gonna make a new rule. Whenever I'm in here and you hear me typing, or whether you don't hear me typing, whatever the fuck you hear me doing in here, when I'm in here, that means I'm working. That means don't come in. Now, do you think you can handle that?
Yes.
Fine. Why don't you start right now and get the fuck out of here?